Hey guys, so last try for the evening. It's one of the logs that I found in the UK, the one that I found cut and with an already rusted cable. So I have the locking part, and here the cable I have also cut from this side, so I made them small and I put some isolation tape so that the rust is more or less contained. So let's have a look if I can beat this little bike lock. There should be only standard pins inside, but sometimes this particular type of locks is actually really bothering me. I don't know, maybe it's the low quality, but they actually make to do something good, and it's takes a little bit longer. There we go. Lock is open, and I dropped it. Hopefully, maybe I still hold it. Yes, thankfully. So, good. Yeah, that was it. Here you can see also the rust is still present on the pole. Anyway, that's what I have for you from this no-name bike lock. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next video. Bye!